we're going to have to go to the hospital and get further evaluation. Stop. Don't headbutt me like that again.
On July 15th, 2024, officers responded to a fight in progress. While en route, they learned that the suspects were separated, but quickly located one of them near the area.
We're going to be out with the male white suspect. Where's the other guy at, man? You right?
What color shirt does he have on?
It's going to be like darker green with orange, and then he got gray sweatpants. You okay? I forget your name. Do you remember me? I gave you a ride to your house?
Outstanding subject's going to be male Hispanic.
David, right? David, is that your name? David. Is your name David? David, you right? You want to take a seat? Take a seat.
Hey, take a seat. Yo!
Give with the taser. Give with the taser. Get away. Taser.
Yeah, 4, step it up.
Get him drop. Get him drop. Get him behind your back. Get him behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Get the car. Get your car.
Alley 511 Addison, 511 Addison, in the alley by Starbucks.
Sit up. Face down.
Already secured in hand.
511 South Addison in the alley.
Good?
Yeah. What are you doing?
Alley 511 Addison.
One of the responding officers correctly identified the suspect as David before the unprovoked attack. David continued to be uncooperative by not responding to any directions or questions.
Good. Stay down on the ground. Don't try to get up.
Radio traffic.
Stay down on the ground. Don't.
Bravo 91 status
Stay.
on your stop.
Stop.
Hey.
Stop resisting and stop trying to fight us. You understand? They hit you?
Nothing more. Stop.
91 and 2.
I knew when he had his clenched fist.
Yeah, I saw him too. That's why I backed up from him and waited for you.
Hold on.
What are you guys doing?
Well, he's still trying to fight. He's trying to get up.
still
So
trying to get
he
up and
swung
fight.
at both of us.
Hey, whose squad's right there? Who's 57?
I am. My keys fell down somewhere.
I got him. You guys okay?
Yeah.
Hey, you done?
He's not.
You're under arrest.
He's not talking at all.
He wasn't talking at all.
Hey, someone open up the squad. Keep the door open.
Sit up and be good. Sit up and be good.
You good?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Relax.
Relax, dude. Come on, chill out.
Hey.
Grab his arm. Show his arm.
He's getting back to just freaking walk. He lives in Addison, but he goes walk around.
Hey, chill out, dude. Chill out.
Walk in the squad.
Doors open? Yeah, doors open.
Let me make sure he doesn't have any weapons on him. Hold on.
You want AFD just to come to booking, or you want him here?
Give me your legs. Yeah, I think this is David. Yeah, David.
Hey, Adam, run him.
Lift them up. Oh, check the stress.
Go on.
So much thing is, we spent
1001 596 130
That's out. What is it?
Yeah,
Do you have any other problems in them? I know.
Check them.
So David, when I had him 1061 43 in traffic.
Inside the squad car, David kept repeatedly striking the partition with his head. The officers, fearing an in-custody injury, then arranged for David to receive medical attention, which he protested to and ultimately declined in an aggressive manner.
Alright, Dave, come on. Sit down, David. Sit down. Sit down. Nope. Here, take away. Yeah. We're gonna check you out real quick, okay?
Hi, David. My name's Emily, okay? I'm with the fire department. What's going on? You having any pain anywhere? Looks like you got a pretty good sized bump on the front of your forehead there. Does your head hurt at all?
off. He's just checking you off, man. Man, off.
Tough, David. We gotta make sure you're okay. Because you got a pretty big bump on your forehead.
Check your BP, man. That's it.
Hey,
Settle down. Dave, stop. Relax. Relax. They're just trying to check you out. You don't want them to check you out? You good?
Yeah.
Okay. Relax. They won't check you then. Yeah, let me go this way.
I got it. Send it this way.
Start calling the opposite shift and ask for one officer to come in. David, if they can't assess you, you're going to have to go to the hospital more than likely to get evaluated there, man. Listen, if you answer some of their questions, it goes easier and smoother. I know you're frustrated right now, but if you can just work with them, they just want to make sure you're safe and make sure there's nothing more going on, okay? They're here to check on your well-being. So all they're doing is basic. They're going to check your blood pressure, some of that stuff. They're going to ask you some very basic questions. That's all they're doing, David, okay? They just want to see how your vitals are doing. If you let them do this, this process goes quicker and easier for you. Does that make sense, David? Is that something you can agree to do? Can they just check your blood pressure? Is that fine?
David, if you're not able to answer these questions, my man, we're going to have to take you to the hospital and get further evaluation because we don't know if
Right.
Stop. Don't headbutt me like that again. Relax.
What do you guys need to do medically?
So we'll have to take them in. Obviously, we need more people, and they're probably going officers.
Yep. Sounds good.
The 28-year-old suspect, David, was charged with battery, aggravated battery on a law enforcement officer, and resisting arrest with violence. In this next case, officers deal with a biker who had fled from a traffic stop earlier in the evening.
On July 18th, 2024, officers initiated a pursuit for a red-white Honda CRF motorcycle displaying various equipment violations and erratic driving, but the rider fled recklessly. After abandoning the chase, the officers decided to set up surveillance at the known address of the suspect and attempted to apprehend him.
Police, give your hands! Stop! 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 You're gonna get shot! Don't stop! Boy!
More officers back 325.
Put your hands behind your back now! Do it now!
Alright, damn.
Stop resisting!
Alright, I'm not running, chill.
Stay back!
Alright. Alright, relax. Stay there, bro. Stay there.
Jeez.
I got this. Go talk to him. I got this.
Stay right there.
Hey, Frank, stop that Harley if it moves.
Alright, relax.
You're good.
Chill out, we'll get it off right now. Get me up first. Damn.
We will in a minute. We got one detained with the red bike. We got the second subject talking to my partner, 6 Adam 87. We're at the rear of 325 Westdale. 325 Westdale.
You loosen it a bit?
Nah, bro.
Bad.
2 fingers, bro.
The male was tackled while attempting to flee. The accompanying officer tried to apprehend the rider of a black Harley Davidson, which was also involved in the earlier pursuit, but the rider had successfully fled again.
To that place, it'll be Frank K. King, 6476.
I'm standing up, ready?
6476.
Can I get up on myself?
I'm just gonna help you up, that's all I'm
No,
gonna
I'm not gonna go anywhere. I'm already cuffed.
do. I know, I'm just gonna help you up.
I don't need help.
Go ahead.
Can I just get up?
Nope, so I'm not letting you go. Go ahead, get up. Alright. Hey. Alright, face the wall. Separate retreat. It's a cute show you put on, bro.
What were you reaching for back here, dude?
Huh?
What were you reaching for?
What are you talking about?
When you went for the bike, you reached out for something. What were you
I didn't reach for
He was reaching for the kickstand, or the kicker, starter.
Harley David, touring on Addison 304. What's car?
6755 foul.
Can you loosen it a bit?
Damn, I can't even fuck.